has escalated into a confrontation over what the protesters say is his increasingly authoritarian rule. They're calling for the release of political prisoners and prosecution of government officials. Corey Flintoff, NPR News, Kiev.
Again, from the Labor Department board, the unemployment rate fell to 7% in November. This is NPR News.
18 degrees at 7:33. I'm Odette Yusak with WBEZ News in for Lisa Ladas. Sears Holding Corporation says it will spin off its Lands' End clothing business as a separate company. The retailer plans to distribute shares in Lands' End to its current shareholders. Sears has spun off other businesses, including its hometown and Sears outlet stores, to raise cash.